Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope better than me. I've just been just cranking out videos here for the past couple hours. I think I'm in video 5 right now. Yeah. Man, what's that I smell? The wind is hitting my back. It smells like blue raspberry. Gotta go check this out. Hang on. Oh yeah. Sweet. Totally scored a stump beverage. Sweet. All right. Let's time to make lunch because I'm hungry. I wanted to try something I saw on Calzone Outdoors channel, and it was this Knorr vegetable recipe mix. Is that the same stuff? I think so. It's Knorr recipe. So I thought I would do some ramen with some chicken and include this Knorr in with it. No MSG. Oh, should have brought some MSG. Ready to eat in 20 minutes. Let's read the directions real quick. Okay, so I was doing this right. Get my water. Now this recipe calls for 4 cups of water, but ramen only takes 1 cup of water. So we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it, I'm going to put half of this package in and then save the other half for another time. So I'm just going to eyeball it. That feels like half. Okay. Let's get my Trangia cranking. Like the 3rd time I fired this guy up today. Did another video and I'm doing this one. Alright. There we go. And I want to show you what it looks like in the pot, so I will use the other camera. Alright. Damn thing fell apart on me. Get that on. There we go. And I got the lid right here. I'd read the ingredients, but they're really small, so I can't really read that very well. And I didn't bring my reading glasses with me, so. Only 30 calories, 4 servings, 30 calories. A little bit of sodium, only 600 milligrams per serving. But, you know, everything has salt in it, so. 6 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of sugar, only 1 gram of protein, but that's all right. I kind of like Knorr products, so that might be pretty good. And by the way, check out Calzone Outdoors, like I mentioned. Real good dude. Real good dude. He hasn't been uploading lately, but when he does, it's always gold. So, when the water gets boiling, I'm gonna add my ramen. No MSG either. Man, why do they get against the MSG? It's the king of flavor. Alright. I'll get cranking on that. Well, I just want to give this a stir. Might be a great way to add vegetables to your meals, ramen, whatnot. Because if you were doing a freeze-dried meal for say, and it wasn't known for having a lot of vegetables, 2 cups of water with half a package of this, and you just pour it into your X brand whatever and let it sit for another 10 minutes in the bag, you can add vegetables to your meal. So it might be a money idea.
Sheep oil.
Yeah, I was just thinking, it's been a while. It feels like it's been a while since I've done just a good cooking video. What I do apologize for, but you know, life gets busy. Damn it, I need transparent hands sometimes. They're always in the way. Get that flavor packet in there. Without the MSG. Boo. Yeah, for those of you wondering, I do watch Uncle Roger. His videos are pretty funny. Get that ramen in there. Chicken doesn't need cooking. Because when I throw that chicken in that, you know, blazing hot water, that water's gonna be plenty hot enough to warm that chicken right up. So, put the lid back on. And don't forget, you pack it in, you pack it out. Don't be a pig. Just like this. Man, look how easy that was. It took little to no effort. Alright, so the noodles have broken up, so that indicates to me that it's done. Looks like we got some tomato in there, peas in here, carrots in here. Looks pretty good. Gotta simmering my fuel. And one last ingredient, gotta add the chicken. And I'll let that work its thing while I once again clean up all my garbage. Didn't break a bone. Alrighty. Really digging this this boiler pot. The end card will have the video, and also I'll link it below too, so if you missed it. Let's see how it tastes without the MSG. Yeah. Well, nothing wrong with having a little extra vegetable. You got some carrot in there. You got some chicken in there. I should get my other camera and do a close-up so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about versus hearing me talk about it. Looks like some dried tomatoes too. I may if I can get the ingredient list from these, I might put it in the description so you can actually see what all's in there in case you have allergies.
Right,
Let me
so
get the other
what it
camera
looks
out.
like in the pot.
I may not have gotten enough in there, so I'll put just a little bit more. It's got seasonings, everything, so it might be a nice way to boost the flavor of your Knorr. Okay, I gotta fight with the camera. Okay. You know what? It actually tastes pretty good. Got a nice veggie flavor. Plus there was a little bit of dried powder in the vegetable mix. So that combined with the chicken, the ramen chicken packet, it's pretty nice. I like that. I like that a lot actually. I'm trying to remember how much these things cost. I don't think they were very much money. I want to say they were under $3. Because it's been a few weeks since I bought them. Alright. So I'm going to eat this because I have this bad habit of eating while I ramble. So I'm gonna cut it. I'll bring it back. All right, I gotta be honest. I found this really good. The soup, it's like when you get to the bottom, it's like a nice chicken noodle soup, or vegetable soup, I should say. And with the mixed combined with the ramen packet, because I put them both in there, give it a really nice, flavorful broth. Even towards the end here, I got like just a little bit left. I'm still getting a little piece of chicken, little bits of vegetable. Man, it's fantastic. I'm actually going to be adding this to my rotation. Maybe more in the winter months, when it starts getting cold. You need a meal that's going to warm me up on the inside. Yeah, that's good. Thinking about it too, you could probably not only do the vegetables, but you could probably just bring out some macaroni and boil it up in there with some other kind of I mean, you could do a because it's vegetable, it's, you know, you could do vegetarian meals. I mean, I guess there's a lot you could do with it, so I might kick around some ideas for expanding on this a little bit. And I really like the idea of boiling up 2 cups, excuse me, with and putting it in a freeze-dried meal. So you got the vegetables and the freeze-dried meal together. Because sometimes the freeze-dried meal are kind of lacking. They can sort of lack in excuse me, vegetables. So anyway, let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out Calzone Outdoors. I'll link his channel below, and I'll put him up here on the end as well. Good dude, real good dude. Actually, he gave me the idea for this, so appreciate that, brother. Anyway, I do thank you for watching again. If you're not, please like, subscribe, and all that fun jazz, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. And my battery's dying, so good timing.